Eulogy to our fallen heroes. Letlalkhuol Gangte, 29 years. Son of Kuki Gandhi and P. Dongkongai Gandhi. Of Nalan Village. Kangvai Subdivision, Lanka. Completed BTH from Biblical Bible College. Thanggunlen Haokip, 15 years. Son of Letlalkhuol Haokip and P. Haokip. S. Kanan Vang. Tobong Subdivision, Lanka. Reading Class 9 from Soikolol Ideal High School. The Wall of Remembrance Massacre. There is no tyranny greater than that which is perpetrated under the shield of the law and in the name of justice. While the deeply biased, vindictive, and authoritarian Meitei government has been relentlessly carrying out a series of anti-tribal agendas, the latest took the form of suspension of a Kuki head constable Siamwol Paul by Mr. Shivanand Survey, SP Churachandpur for an alleged offense that thousands in the valley have been allowed to get away with for far too long. The love of a nation runs deep, transcending all ages and genders. An injustice and oppression upon one member of the community is felt to the core by all. And in necessary protest against the injustice of the state, 2 young lives have fallen, and at least 25 others injured by the bullets ordered to be directed at the civilian protesters by the powers that continue to disdain and oppress us. Our front lines are not just the buffer zones. They exist wherever our enemy exists, wherever oppression and tyranny exists. Those who die in the name of the nation at such a time are all martyrs for the same cause, and all are heroes whose names will live on. The nation salutes our martyrs of the Wall of Remembrance Massacre. KSO consoles the ultimate sacrifices made by Mr. Letlalkhuol Gangte and Mr. Thanggunlen Haokip to the extent of laying down their lives and protesting against the unjust suspension of Mr. Siamwol Paul, and in defense of our ancestral Kuki lands. To the parents of the deceased, to their beloved brothers and sisters, to their near and dear ones, the KSO offers our deepest sympathies and heartfelt condolences. We will continue the fight against the evil forces. May God now grant them eternal peace. KSO Media and Documentation Cell. 15 February 2024, Thursday.